Hello and welcome. My name is Matt Taylor from Microcom Design. This is the fourth video in a GTX Quick Start series. In this video, we will be saving a configuration template file and also loading that template file into a GTX and change the necessary parameters in order to deploy a second system. Continuing with the setup from the last video, we are connected to the GTX that we configured. First, we have to click the Configure/Control/Deploy GTX button. Next, we can click the Retrieve Config from GTX button. This will retrieve the configuration from the GTX into the GTX Utility PC program. After that, we can click the Save Template menu under the File menu. This will bring up a Save GTX Configuration Template dialog box. Save the template in a folder of your choosing. I'm going to rename the template file wsc.tpl and then click the Save button. This template file can now be used to deploy the configuration to any number of GTXs. We will do this by connecting to another GTX and clicking the Configure GTX from a Template button. Next, we must select the template file we just saved. This can be done by selecting the File and Open Template menu. This will pop open a dialog box where we must select the template file we just created. Mine is called wsc.tpl, and then we can click the Open button. Now that the template has been successfully loaded into the GTX utility, we can enter the GOES platform ID, the timed channel, the first transmission, and also the optional platform ID string. I'm using Microcom Design's test ID as the GOES platform ID, but you must use your own. I kept the timed channel the same, and I changed the first transmission from 9 minutes and 40 seconds to 9 minutes and 50 seconds after the top of the hour. Now we can click the Send Config to GTX button and Yes on the confirmation pop-up dialog box. This GTX is now ready to be deployed. In the next video, we will learn how to view the latest archived sensor data from the GTX. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please call or email.